Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip on US 11 North in Broome County, New York. We begin at mile 30 as we enter the village of Whitney Point. The village lies at the confluence of the Tiofnioga River and the Otselic River and had a population of 960 as of the 2020 census. It was named for two of its early developers, Thomas and William Whitney. Settlement began in the 1790s, and the village was incorporated originally as Whitney's Point in 1871. The Broome County Fair has been held in Whitney Point since 1874. We see short concurrencies with New York State Routes 26 and 79 here. As we leave Whitney Point, we enter the town of Triangle, part of a geographic area originally called the Shenango Triangle. The town had a population of 2,809 as of the 2020 census. We enter the town of Lisle with a population of 2,691 as of the 2020 census. Lisle had achieved a population of 4,393 by the 1830 census, but the population plummeted to 1,560 by 1840, likely due to a flood. Here, US 11 makes a right turn, ending the concurrency with State Route 79. Highway 79 crosses the Tiofnioga River into the village of Lisle. We pass through the hamlet of Kilowog, which lies mostly to our west, across the Tiofneoga River. Here we enter Cortland County and the town of Marathon. Cortland County had a population of 46,809 as of the 2020 census. The county name is not spelled with a T on the end of it, although it is named for Pierre Van Cortlandt, president of the convention at Kingston that wrote the first New York State Constitution in 1777 and first lieutenant governor of the state. The town of Marathon had a population of 2,038 as of the 2020 census. Here we enter the village of Marathon, and this is why we're sure to make the distinction between towns and villages throughout the state of New York. There are frequently incorporated villages within the towns that carry the same name. The village had a population of 892 as of the 2020 census. Over the years, maple syrup production has been a source of income for many locals and has evolved with modern technology. The village of Marathon is home to the annual Maple Festival held each spring. The festival features arts and craft, live entertainment, and of course, homemade, unique maple products. We conclude today's video, mile 41. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.